It is that transformative power that changes people and that changes the world. And before you want to change the world, you have to change your mind first. If you are not able to fix your mind, then you will never be able to fix the world. So what begins first is fixing your mind first, and you will be able to fix the world.
I'm sorry, will you fix your mind?
Fixing mind, you can fix the mind by removing what that used to exist. Then you put things that never existed in your mind. That is something new, something that.
So you're telling me that before changing others, you're supposed to change your mind first?
Exactly. You cannot change others without changing yourself.
So either it's what you want to think. For example, you want to change economically. That means you're supposed to change your mindset in economical way so that you can change other people.
Exactly. We do say everything starts in mind. Everything starts in mind. A person, before he becomes rich in the real world, he has become rich in his mind first.
So you want to tell me there are a lot of people who have died with the richness in their mind?
Exactly. There's a certain person I've ever read his books. It's called Dr. Midas Monroe. He once said, where there is a big wealth, it's there in the cemetery. There is people. There are people who have books there. There are artists there. There are teachers there. But they died with it without revealing it to the world.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. So that is it. So transform your mind and change the world.